Hey guys, welcome to example 4 of 9.1. We're going to be working with our permutation formula right over here. NPR could be interpreted as the number of permutations of n objects taken r times. I'm going to show you how to use the formula, and I'm also going to show you how to just do the math if you forget the formula. So here's A. The way I always think about it in my head is that I think 6p4 is like there's 6 things and I'm picking 4 of them, and just 4 of them. That means I have 4 spots. Okay, just like our license plate examples and so forth. In my very first spot, I get to pick from 6 different things. Well, that means there's 6 different possibilities for that first spot. In my second spot, well, if I pick something from my first spot, now there are how many possibilities for my second spot? There's 5. And so forth, 4 and 3. And so at the end of the day, it'd be 6 times 5 is 30, 120, 360. So that'd just be 6p4 is equal to 360. If you want to think about it from the formula standpoint, it's just you have to think that in this case it'd be 6p4, that's my n, that's my r. And let's use the formula. It's n factorial, so it's 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 factorial, right? Well, that'd be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that'd be 2, 1 on the denominator. Notice the 2's cancel out, the 1's cancel out, and you're left with 6, 5, 4, 3. That n minus r factorial on the denominator basically removes all the spots that we didn't need, right? Because we're only picking 4 things. And that's how the formula works. It's pretty straightforward. Again, if you go back to the way I thought about it, it's just, hey, for B, I got 11 things to choose from, but I'm only picking 3 of them, so I only have room for 3 of them. And in the first spot, I get to pick 11 of them, which means in the second spot, there's only 10 of them left, and then so forth. There's 9. And this would be 11 times 9 is 99, so this would be 990. Pretty easy stuff. And again, let's just demonstrate the formula. It'd be 11p3 is equal to 11 factorial over 11 minus 3 factorial. That'd be 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6, ... all the way down to times 1. And 11 minus 3 is 8 factorial, so that'd be 8 times 7 times 6 times all the way down to 1. And as you can see, I'm canceling out all those spots that I didn't even want to, because I wasn't taking the numbers for those. So you'd end up with 11 times 10 times 9, which is what we have. C, if we don't have a number, if we have n, so np3, think about it. Again, there's n things, and I'm picking just 3 of them. So again, I only have 3 spots. Well, how many possible things can I put in my first spot? N. Again, I don't have an actual number, but I know I started with n, so if I went from 6 to 5 to 4 to 3, 11 to 10 to 9, then the next one would be n minus 1, and then n minus 2. And that would represent np3. The only other thing that you want to consider is that if you ever have a situation where r is greater than n, like 4p6, right? You start with a larger number, then you're going to end up with 0. All right. I'll see you guys in the next question.